beams. That's what they call them in the assembly instructions, roller beams. These are 270mm ones. So this is the number 4 template. And it says these are for the 6.5mm holes. So I need to just find a snug fit transfer punch that's too big. Feels like it's still too big, really. It's kind of getting through, look. So as long as it's conical, it should be in the middle. There's that arrow. Make sure it's pushed up nice and tight. If you see it move, let me know. Definitely moved down there. Let's do the other one while we're here. Let's give it. Let's do it in the seam again. Same thing for this end. Nice and snug. Now it says we need assembly number 5, assembly tool number 5. So that was number 4, this is number 5. So these ones, 6.5mm holes for M6, 6.5mm holes, and these ones are tapped M6, I can't remember. I'll have to turn you off and have a look, one sec. It was, the first ones need a 6.5mm hole. Now, I think actually in this case I really don't need to drill a pilot hole, but I will do it. If you break a bit, if you break one of these little bits, keep it, resharpen it, and make nice little stubbies. I might as well pilot the other ones while I'm here. Actually, I should really give them a proper centre punch. if you're, whatever size of drill you're using, if you're drilling a fresh hole in steel, you always need a fair amount of weight on the drill, because what you're actually doing is pushing, where's the lens, will it focus? You're actually trying to drive the little chisel point that's not cutting. You have to actually drive that down into the steel to allow the actual flukes to cut. But once there is a pilot hole, you need much less pressure, because you're not pushing that chisel down into the steel. Pressing straight down through the steel, I'm peck drilling just to break off the chips so they don't turn into long stringers. There is a light in this drill, but it's quite flaky. Okay, it's very flaky. So the other side is 5mm hole for an M6 tap. The paintbrush just keeps my fingers away from the drill. If it's a surface where, like when I've tapped these holes, where it's going to be metal to metal, and you want it to actually sit with a reasonably good contact, or you want it to be flat, specifically want it to be flat, you should deburr the threads. Just give them a little kiss with a countersink bit, just to take the top off, really, so there's no high spot. There you go. Cap head screw, grease nipple, bearing retainer, wide format, HGW20cc, HGW20cc. Well, that bolt pattern doesn't fit that way, but it looks better that way. Yeah, that looks like it. And of course it's going to be that way. It's got to slide along the rail and the ball screw goes through the trolley. So what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We need some short M6. I haven't got button head screws, so I don't think so. I'll have a look. So we need some short M6 cap head screws. One sec. This is not going to work. Can you see that? So this is an awkward bit. This is the reason for the button head screws, I guess. It's worth noting that in the instructions it does say you should disassemble it again and put thread lock on it. I don't actually have any thread lock and I haven't painted these parts yet, so I'm just going to go stick it together, see how it looks, take it down, paint it. Well, that's my plan anyway. Oh, you stay in there, you. You see that? Bearing retainer try and come out there. Watch out for that. That would be not nice. Next one. So unless I've missed something about these trolley assemblies, at the moment, or these bearings, at the moment they're not yet chiral in any way. So it shouldn't matter which grease nipple I take out, or which bolt I take out for the grease nipple, because I can still put them back on. I can still put them on the machine on any side. Is it clearing the rail? No, it isn't. I want to strip it out, but I just want to see. Yeah, there is more I can do there. Yeah, sideways better, not into the ball screw either. Okay, second one. This guy goes in. Okay, cool. 2 trolleys. It says now we should install the roller onto the linear rail. This is exciting and kind of scary for me. So I'm going to push it past the wiper, or do I take the wiper off and then reinstall it? I don't know. It's on a little bit. The retainer's sticking out a little bit. Can I take you down anymore? I'll tell you what, I'll go handheld with you. 1 sec. There's the guy. Oh, that's so scary. There it is. Wow. Spooky. There it is. Oh. Not greased yet. That's so cool. Okay, so keep that. May need it later. Probably will. And just in case one of my kids comes in here, I'm going to put that BK block straight on there. Put it back in the tripod. Because if the kids come in, I can guarantee you they'll want to roll it off the end. Oh, great. This is the one with a hole in it. I suppose I could drill a hole in the other one if it's not. I still need to print another one of these. Cool. Look at that. The first trolley on. Simple things, but man, that's cool. So I shall do the other one. And then we'll see what comes next. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.